Start by ensuring the toilet mounting bolts stick just above the nut so cap covers fit flush and look finished. Use a hacksaw on soft brass bolts and cut carefully while the nut is fully tightened against the toilet flange to preserve thread engagement and alignment. First, tighten the nut down until it is snug and the toilet is secure, then back it off 1/4 turn so the bolt can be cut without rotating the toilet. Place a small piece of scrap wood or a bolt clip against the nut to protect the porcelain while you saw and to keep the bolt from bending during cutting. Make straight, controlled strokes and keep the saw perpendicular to the bolt so the cut is even and the cap will sit flat. After cutting, file or deburr the end with a flat file or emery cloth to remove sharp edges that could tear cap liners or catch on clothing. Test fit the plastic or metal cap cover, and if the cap has a split insert, compress it slightly to seat over the threaded portion and then push the cap down until it snaps or slides flush. Common problems include cutting the bolt too short so threads are lost and the cap will not secure. Avoid this by leaving about 1/4 inch of thread above the nut after cutting and test fit before final trimming. Another frequent issue is saw sparks or metal filings scratching the toilet bowl. Prevent this by covering the rim and base with a towel or cardboard and by using gentle sawing pressure. A third concern is the bolt bending or wobbling while cutting, which leads to uneven caps. Keep the nut tightened against the flange during cutting and use a guide block or V-jaw clamp to stabilize the bolt as you saw. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and where contractors can find work and projects that match their skills. We also host an active discussion community on the site where users share tips, ask questions, and post real-world solutions for installations like toilet bolt trimming.